Hello and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, this is real life. It's happening right now. I'm going to show you something that you need to know if you cook. Doesn't matter if you're a bad cook. Doesn't matter if you're a great cook. You need to know this. First off, let's talk about this what I'm cooking right here. Just a little snack. I'm kind of hungry right now. I didn't really get to eat a lot today, so I'm making up a little snack, and you're probably like, what is it? It is queso fresco, baby, sliced up. I saw this girl on Instagram do it, and she puts like a little marinara with it, and it is delicious. It kind of gives you the feeling like you're eating pizza without eating pizza. Yeah. So you just cut it into slices and grill it up. I melted a little butter and put the cheese in it. Matt and I have been eating keto lately, so this is on the diet. So that little snack is the reason I want to talk to you today. I'm making that little snack right now, but I did something while making that snack that you need to know about. But on a side note, this snack is really tasty and really delicious. So if you want to try it, you should. So let me break down what I did just now. I was melting a little butter in this pan, and it was melting super fast, and I didn't have my slices of cheese quite sliced yet. So I moved this pan over to this burner. Well, the handle was over this burner. Not good. So as you can see, the handle got hot. I kind of didn't realize it, and I went to pull this back over just like that with the handle, and I burnt my hand. I did. I burnt my hand. I didn't burn my hand bad though. Like, I felt it fast enough and it was quick enough that I was like, whoa, but it was a slight burn and it hurt a little bit. So I want to tell you my remedy for burns. It works for grease burns, oil burns, anywhere where you burn yourself. You need to add mustard to your hand immediately. I'm not even kidding. It is like the best thing in the world for your burns. I don't know what's in it that does it, but normal yellow mustard, this is where I grab the handle. Can you see? Normal yellow mustard. I really don't know the science behind it, but I learned it years and years ago from a friend of mine who worked at a Mimi's, and she learned it from one of her cooks. And this knowledge was just passed down to me, and I just kept it in the back of my head forever, and I haven't had to use it often, but when I do happen to, burn myself slightly, it comes in super handy. I don't know what it is, but you have to do it almost right away. Wherever you're at, say, do you have yellow mustard? And grab it. Like, even if it's not you, if you have a friend that burns themselves, say, get some yellow mustard and put it on your hand, or whatever you burned, because I'm gonna say it stops the process of the burn. I don't know how to talk about it. If it's a bad enough burn and it's gonna blister, it stops it from blistering. It's pretty crazy how well this does work. This is just my little life hack today. It's a real life hack. I went and was like, this just happened right now, and I've been wanting to film this, but I didn't know how to film it, but it happened to me, so I was like, you know what? There's no time like the present. So here we go. If you burn yourself, add mustard. I hope this helps you in the future. Like, I don't wish for you to get burned at any time soon. I don't wish for a friend of yours to get burned soon so you can help save them. But I do hope that this will come in handy, because I know it's come in handy for me. It's come in handy for Matt, because we were cooking fondue years ago. We always cook fondue for our anniversary. And one year, like, the oil pot, we were doing like fondue meats. The oil pot just like spilled, or I don't know what happened. We were in the kitchen and it went all over him, like to his arms, to his legs. And he should have been, I'm like, my hair's a man. I can't touch my hair. He should have been badly burned, but he wasn't. We put the mustard on right away, and just keep in mind, he hates mustard. The smell of it, the taste of it, he can't stand it. But because it works so well, he let me put it on him, and he just suffered the smell because it stopped him from blistering. So that just tells you something right there. Anyways, I hope this helped. Don't go get burned, and make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. I forgot to mention, you gotta let it dry. Like, it goes on wet, but believe me, it'll dry. You can kind of see that it's getting a little crusty, and that's what you want. And when you put it on, there's almost like a cooling sensation, because when you burn yourself, it kind of hurts a little bit, but you put it on, it stings maybe for like a hot second, but then it has this like cooling relief that feels really good. So just let it dry, let it get crusty, and if you take it off too soon and you were supposed to blister, you might still blister a little bit. And why do I know this? From experience, just FYI. So make sure to let it dry all the way, and then once it's dry all the way and you've had it on for a little while, then go ahead and wash it off, and you're safe to do that. But it works. And on another little side note, this is so good. Oh, so good. If you have a pizza craving, it really takes care of it. So I didn't use a normal marinara sauce though. I used like a little secret recipe that my mom made up back in the day. It's what I use when I make my like tortilla pizzas or a bagel pizza. It's tomato paste with a little bit of water, and you mix it up. And back in the day, I used to add just like normal sugar to like sweeten it just a little bit, put enough in to taste like what you like. But now I use stevia, the sugar substitute, and it works just as good, and it's so tasty. So that's what I'm using for my little dipping sauce today. But this is a fun little snack, and I'm not mad at the cheese. The cheese didn't burn me. I just was stupid and didn't realize that handle was over the burner. I was trying not to burn the butter, and then I burned myself. Not cool. I just switched hands because my mustard hand was holding the phone while I was showing you how tasty that little treat was. But it's seriously so good. You have to try it. But also, if you're new to my channel, I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. They come in handy. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss out on any of my classes. I'll see you soon. I'm just doing a little next day check-in, and my hand is all good. No problems, no blisters, no anything, no residual burn. And let me tell you, I definitely burnt it. So mustard helped 100%. Like it didn't even help just a little bit, like it helped 100%. I worked out today, I used my hands today, no problems, no issues. Mustard for your burns. And if you're wondering if I'm a little bit more tan today, you would be correct because I got a spray tan.